add these lemon berry muffins to your must-bake list. They're so delicious.
Here's how I make them. I start by lightly greasing my pan, turning the oven on to 375, and then mixing my flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and lemon zest. Look, I'm using my frozen lemons to get that zest. Yay! And oh, it smells so good. Next, I mix my sugar, egg, canola oil, vanilla extract, yogurt, and lemon juice. Then I gently mix the wet and dry ingredients. And now the berries. I'm using tiny little raspberries that'll just be fine. My blueberries are a little bit bigger, so I'm coating them with a little bit of the flour mix and then adding them both to the mixed batter. Here they go, gently folding. David, this is how you fold in the berries. Very gently, nice light touch, and don't overdo it. Get it, easy, easy. Okay, phew. Now, load your pan and then put it in the oven at 375 for about 15 to 17 minutes. Take them out, let them cool on the counter for about 5 minutes before you take them out of the pan, and then go enjoy with a nice latte.